You know me like you otherwise though.
Alright, the phone I break up.
You say you know I like you otherwise though.
Hello?
Auntie Donna,
Me not hear you well.
you hear me now?
No, it come like something. Father, see if internet a cut there.
Yeah, it's a cut out.
Yeah, internet a cut.
It's a cut out.
Internet a cut.
Yeah.
Me not hear me now. One other time when you call again, you hear me not hear you well, it look like something wrong.
Alright, that's it.
Prince, there's something I've been meaning to ask you. You've been there with me through thick and thin, and
What are you doing?
I know that I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Are you serious right now?
I've never been more serious about anything in my life. I love you very much.
Are you serious right now?
Yes. And you're my best friend. You're my best friend.
Are you?
You're my everything. And nigga, I'm just joking. Relax. Gotcha. You,
Bro,
come on, baby.
you
You know that was
got
good,
me.
baby.
Want to go back to them, or do you want to stay with Donald Trump?
I just want money.
Top look out for people when I'm bumbuckler look out for you. Tappy.
So what you want from me?
Piece of everything.
Everything?
Every blood clotting. I mean, say if you sell a blood clot, you cook half of mine. The sell a blood clot, nickel bag of weed, post the world, same thing.
I escort your blood clot, escort me in a bit.
I post the world. Eh? The word is extort, post the world, idiot boy. And he's a fucking juggler. What the fuck you tell me about extortion, eh?